Hello everyone, I'm Previx, and today we are going to do some market analysis on Bitcoin, like would it be bullish or bearish in the upcoming days. But before we jump onto that, I'll give some little introduction about myself. I'm Previx, I'm from California, and I've been day trading since last 4 to 5 years. And here I am sharing my experience with you guys through the means of content. So let us jump onto the analysis. Ach- So basically, there are 4 hours left in the market closing, and this very candle would decide the fate of the market through the weekends, and it is very important. But before we talk about the candle and before we give it the ample amount of importance, we'll see the overall structure of Bitcoin first, which is bullish, by the way. Like, it is very bullish. It is following the trend line. It is above the trend line at all times. Yeah, it gave some wick, but the wicks are really good. Like, it shows the amount of resistance we have to push the market in our side. Basically, the bears tried very hard to sell and very hard to push it over the 90k limit. However, the bullish players had their limit set on 90 till 93k, and it basically gave all the strength that bears had to the waters. So we had some nice really chops over here as well, over here as well, and over here as well. However, if you were to see the chops from the bearish side, there are, this is the one, this is the one, okay, this is the one, okay. So we are in between the range of 96k till 101k. And yeah. And another thing, it is Monday high. Yes, it is Monday high. So the last chop we have is Monday high. So it's it's a very good thing since the whole week has been very bloody. So what my experience is that Bitcoin would approach 100k, and from there it will decide that would it be bullish or would it be bearish. So if you guys want to play something in perpetuals, I'll say that buy it right now within stop loss. Okay, you should be buying it from 97,000 till like 97,400, and your stop loss should be 97,000. Okay, so yeah, 97,700 and 97,400, these are the ranges that you should get your entry in, and your stop loss should be at 97,000 exactly. Like, yeah, and the TP should be around at 100k. Like, the TP should start from here, 99 and 900, and it should end at 100k. Yeah, just close your trade over here. Don't be so greedy. Like, the weekends are coming in, so you don't really know what would happen. Cause on weekends, market are very manipulative. Cause the big players are not there. So yeah, this is the update for today. And just play safe. Don't be so greedy. Cause at every weekend, when people think that why don't we waste a day and instead make some money, people actually lose money. Cause on weekends there is a lot of manipulation, a lot. I'm talking from the experience of 4 to 5 years. So kindly listen to me. And if you really want to do a play, so just follow my limits. 97,700 till 97,400 should be your entry point with a stop loss of 97,000, and your TP should be at 99,800 till 100k. So this is it for today. I hope uh, it will be true, and you like my content. So there it is. I'm signing out. Bye bye.